This writing and language question is about standard English conventions, meaning it's basically testing a grammar rule or two. To answer it, we have to go to the passage, look at the highlighted text, and see if there's anything wrong with it. Since the highlighted text here is just one word, let's read the sentence in which it appears to see if we spot an error. The latest national poll by the Pew Research Center, conducted September 22nd through 27th among 1,502 adults, find that the migrant crisis has registered widely with the public. Let's stop there. We don't need the rest of the sentence. Hopefully you heard that something was a little off. However, let's identify the exact error in the highlighted part. The highlighted word is find, which is a verb. Every verb needs a subject. In this case, the subject is poll. The poll is the thing that is finding this information. It might sound like adults is the subject. Adults find that the migrant crisis has registered widely with the public. But the adults really didn't find that information. This is information that the poll found from those adults. Now that we've isolated the subject and verb, we can identify what the error is. The latest national poll find that the migrant crisis has. Since poll is the subject and find is the verb, they need to agree. And right now, they don't. Find is in its plural form. Poll is a singular noun. So we need a singular verb, poll finds. We also know that the verb should be finds and not found or any other version of finds, because the rest of the sentence, has registered widely, is in the present tense. Has is a present perfect verb, signaling that the other verbs should be roughly in the present or present perfect tense. So let's go to the answer choices and look for finds. So we see the word finds in answer B, and that is our best answer. However, let's prove that the others are wrong. Answer A, no change. Well, we knew that find was wrong. We proved that, so A is gone. Poll finding, that subject doesn't agree with that verb, so we can get rid of C. And then found is in the past tense. Again, we saw that we need something in the present or present perfect tense. So get rid of D, left with B, which is the best answer. So that's our hardest writing language question. You might be thinking, hey, that's not so hard. And it wasn't that hard when we looked at the subject for the highlighted verb. Oftentimes, when we don't read the sentence out loud, it's harder to hear what's wrong with the verb. So just be sure to be extra careful when you see a verb highlighted, check its subject. If you'd like more tips like these in the writing and language section or throughout the whole new SAT, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the tutoring button. Our tutors can help you learn grammar rules and also apply them to these passages and sentences in the writing and language section.